Chef Mimi J here with a PSA for you. If you're over the age of 5 and you don't like eating chicken with the bone in it, well, it's time to go ahead and grow up. Nah, I'm just joking, guys, but I do want to show you how to process a leg and thigh quarter. The first step you saw me do was remove that little extra piece of tissue and fat, and now I'm cutting that little backbone from around the thigh meat. To me, that large, bulky piece just gets in the way of all the deliciousness. Now, we're not going to throw away these pieces that we're cutting off, but I'll show you what we do with it at the end. If you snap that joint apart with your hand, it makes it a little easier to cut that piece of bone away. Now, if you notice, I do have my leg quarters sitting in a bucket of water with ice on it so that the temperature can remain safe. Sometimes there's this little film on the meat of the chicken or excess fat. I'm just going to take each piece and run it under the water to brush that away. Now, to really get the chicken clean, I'll add a little bit of white vinegar and salt to fresh, clean, cold water. I'll make sure to give each piece of chicken a good rub down. Look at how the water looks after I clean the chicken. We're going to be sure to rinse all of that away. Look at how nice and clean that chicken looks. Now we're ready to season. I'll be oven roasting these, so I'll add a little bit of avocado oil to get that skin nice and crispy. I'll let this seasoning set in for about 24 hours before I go into the oven. Now, you want to be sure to thoroughly sanitize your entire work surface. Nice and clean, but I'm still going to go in with a little bit of boiling water. You may want to consider wiping down any seasonings that you've touched as well. Remember those pieces that we cut away? Save them and make a stock.